Alright, start. I can't see it. Here, never mind. Found it. This is such good footage. Dude. Dude, it's in the dirt. Hold on, Sprite break. I'm on a Sprite break. Alright. I can't. I don't know where the pause button is. Alex, just like dance right there. Dance right there for a second. Go dance. Keep dancing. Do you want that to be the end of the video? It's already 2 minutes long.
Nah, I want 10 minutes.
Okay. Boy. Hold on, I have an idea.
I'll give it a boost.
I have an idea.
Give it a boost. This is what happens. It goes way too fast and crap. Oh my, it's still landing.
I'm trying to do a setup here, but it's not working. There.
Yeah.
There, can you see it?
When you give it a boost, and you do that, it goes straight off the cliff. Can you put it back on?
Call me Willy Wonka, I'ma get it.
Oh no. Imagining the passenger being, imagining there being a passenger in the passenger seat. Oh,
Stop. I'm gonna go back.
It's still landing. I'm about to
Sprint.
cry. Totally just did it. Woo! No one. Wait, kick it for extra boost. Kick it for extra boost.
Stop. Turn it around. Okay. Hold on.
Don't warn it.
Stop. No. I kicked that thing hard. Down the Grand Canyon. Alex, just play like over there by Mount Everest #2 so the camera can see you.
Oh! Oh, am I?
Okay. Got the camera back flipped around.
Hey, Mike.
Holy.
Oh, fudge. Oh, no! Come on, Mike. Give me a race. Here, I'm going to beat this thing in a race.
Okay. I'm watching. I'm zoomed in.
You're going to have the controls.
Oh God.
Set up.
I don't know how to do a setup. I'm terrible at setups. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Alex, let's
Do it like that.
That's looking at the sky. Okay, this setup is not gonna work at all. Okay, you're just gonna have to.
No, it's like this. Joey, like this.
Actually, do you want to control it? Here, control it while you're in the race.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can. It's perfect. Okay, now start running. Steer. Oh my God, it's gonna go to the Grand Canyon. Oh, he won, and he won by a long shot. Get out of here. Hold on.
Race again.
Hold on, hold on. I want to do something. No, I want to do it. Hold on. Let me get him out of the dirt.
No, stop.
There's a lot of dirt in this, and one of the tires is messed up.
I was gonna stop.
Hold on, hold the camera. Don't make it face like All right.
Hey, beautiful people.
Stop. My mom's gonna get really mad.
Hey, beautiful people.
Do like a... We're fixing his car, so... And we don't know how to pause it. So.
I'm facing it. It's facing me.
Okay. You could switch that around in 2 seconds, and I swear if it's not, then...
Go ahead.
Right here, it's done.
Hold the camera. Hold the camera, Jimmy.
I'm James, not Jimmy. No, I'm Gabe from Unspeakable.
I distracted it. Oh my God.
Holy. Alright guys, it's 7 minutes long. 3 more minutes to go. Hit. Oh, ew. My turn. Yay. I be spitting up my pants. Pew, pew. Hold on. I want to do something.
Ma'am,
Please don't.
save me.
Alex.
Alex. I said don't save me.
Oh, stop.
Don't save me.
I want to do something. It's be funny. No, I wanted to kick it.
Alright, and I'll even give it an extra.
Please don't. I just want to kick it. Yay. You- Yes. Bury it. Bury it. Bury it. It's going to be done. You are not going to see this in a future video. If it does, then it is like a god. It will never die.
Help me bury it.
Like, just make it invisible. No, like, scoop up some dirt and just put it on top of it. Like,
Yeah,
scoop it up.
I'm asking you to do it.
Here, I'll help you with the phone.
I missed.
Oh man, the camera's dirty. Okay. Hold on, camera. Let's do this. Let's get it. Let's get this. And koi. No, just get like a huge scoop with both hands. Both hands. There you go. And put it. No, bring it over and put it on top.
I keep missing.
One more minute of the video, Alex. And don't.
We're burying my Mustang. It's not working.
So we're burying it because it's dead.
It deserves nothing.
Battery's at 10%. The camera battery's at 10%.
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
But we still have like half a minute left of the video. And we still have to do an outro.
This is my hands after duty. I still got duty to do.
Alright guys, it was good seeing you. Alex is gonna film another video sometime in his life. But we'll see you guys later. Please sub. He only has 6 subs right now. Like and sub. It'll make him real happy.
Yes, it will.
And yeah, he even said it. Bye.